Right now I'm working on my quads. And so notice I'm trying to go more towards my hip, and I just work my way down to my kneecap. And we just go nice and slow and controlled. If you find a sore spot, go ahead and let that sink in for a little bit. And then just keep working your way. You can do this for about 30 seconds. Is we want to really hit this IT band. And so we're just going to go up and down the lateral portion of our thigh. And again, when you find a sore spot, just kind of really go slow over it. And again, we're going to want to hit both sides. So try and do each side for 30 seconds. Right here, we're going to do calf. So this takes a little bit of body control. We're just going up and down that calf. I have my calf underneath my other one. Just get a little bit more weight on it, a little bit more pressure on that foam roller. But again, we can do both sides. So right here, we're just gonna work our hamstring. So you can just cross your legs over. And you're just gonna work your way up and back right there on that hamstring. And again, we're gonna hit both hamstrings. This next one, we're gonna hit our glute. And so what we're doing is we're just sitting kind of crisscross on top of the foam roller, going up and down, really hitting that gluteus maximus. So right here, we're gonna hit back, and you're just kind of making a field goal post with your arms. And that's gonna hit more rhomboid, and then you can really close it. And so we're gonna hit a different part of the back for this one. But you don't wanna go all the way down to your lower back. Just find that big meaty part of the back. We're gonna hit our lats. So that's a big muscle, that latissimus dorsi. We just really wanna lean into it, just roll it on up. Arm extended, hope you get more of that. And again, we're gonna do both sides. And this time we just wanna hit that chest and have your arm extended and really just rolling over that pectoral major.